Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan from Chennai Kottapalli KGBV. Welcome to AP KGBV online classes. Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am PV Pavani, working as Mathematics CRT at KGBV CKPalli. Now we are discussing about 9th class mathematics in that statistics chapter.
Good morning to all of you. Welcome to APKGBV online classes. I am PV Pavani, working at Mathematics CRT at KGBV in CKPalli, Anantapur district. Today we discussing the 9th class maths, that is the chapter name is 9th chapter statistics. We have to discuss about the chapter name topic statistics. Before we have to know statistics, before we know some keywords, that is the minimum value and maximum value, raw data and the frequency. These all are keywords in this statistics. Minimum value, maximum value, range, frequency, tally marks, and etc. Before this, we have to know what is the statistics. That means statistics means information, collecting the information, collecting the data. We know previous classes in 6th class, 7th, like that. Statistics means data handling. That means data handling. Data handling means information, collecting the information. Data handling. Data means information. Data means information. Information of anything. Information of anything. That means prices of vegetables and cricket score and polling data. These are all examples. Prices. Prices of vegetables. Cricket score, etc. These are all the information of these things. That means this is the data. So, we have to know first of all statistics means collecting the data. Primary activity is collecting the data with practically primary data. The information is collecting the information. The information is collected in two types. One is the primary data. Primary data. Second one is secondary data. Secondary data. See, the information is collected in the primary data means what means the information is collected by the invigilator or enquiring the student by invigilator. This is called the primary data. And secondary data. Secondary data means the information is collected by the some recorded source. That means registers like. Okay. So primary data is nothing but, see, what is the difference between the primary data and secondary data? Primary data and secondary data. Secondary data. Primary data is the information is collected by the inquiring the student, collected by the inquiring the student. The information is collected by the recorded source. Source means registers like that. Etc. So the information is collected by the inquiring the student, each student. That means the invigilator is going to personally the students' homes and inquiring their height, weights, whatever it may required. Okay. So example for primary data: weights of students. Number 3 example: heights of students. Weights of students. How weights of students considered as the primary data means? See, this is the weighing machine. So we have to inquire each student how much weight is there, the particular student, like this. See, this is the weighing machine, and for example, I am only student. Consider just like I am as a student. See, this is the weighing machine, like this. How much? 62. So my weight is 62 kilograms. That means this is the weight. So the student is weights of students is the primary data. So the PT madam or ANM madam taking the weights and heights of the students by personally each student. Okay. And one more. See, this is the heights. How to measure the heights? This is the height chart. See, this is the height chart. How to each student come and how much height is there, the particular student, and inquiring by the ANM or PT madams and recorded in the registers. That is the personal recorded. So this is the primary data. Now secondary data. What is the example for secondary data? Means the number of absentees in the class, 9th class. The number of absentees of the students, 9th students, in the March 2021. This is the how to know how many number of students are absentees in that particular 9th class students in the particular March month. So how to know means, see, this is the register 9th class. 9th class attendance register. See, this is the 9th class attendance register. See, now we have to know how means this is the 9th class attendance and March. This is the March attendance. So like this. There are 2 members or 3 members like that. We have to count one by one from the register. This is the source. How to know means this is the source recorded as the register. So the information is collected by the recorded source. This is the recorded source. That means this is the register. So 90 class attendance register. So we have to register attendance 90 class attendance register. The number of absentees of the 90 students in the March 2021. How many members are absentees? This is the information collected from the register only. So this is considered as a secondary data. Okay, and see now to understand this, let us begin with some practical exercise collecting the data, performing the following some activities. All of you open the page number 195 students, page number 195. Here some activity is there. See, all of you, here page number 195, 9th maths statistics chapter, activity. Divide the students of your class in your groups. So here some activities are there. Weight of all the students in your class. What is this is statement is considered as the primary data or secondary data. Tell me students. Okay, weight of all students in your class. How to know weight of all students means by inquiring the only PET or ANM made. That means directly each student inquiring the weight of the students. So that is the primary data. So we have to write the answer is the primary data. And number of siblings that each student have. That means in our classroom the number of students are there. Some students are there. The students have the number of siblings. Siblings means what? Without siblings, see, siblings in Telugu siblings rakta sambandhalu ante sisters, brothers. So how many members are there? Students, relation between the sisters and brothers. So how many members are there? The student have the number of sisters, number of brothers. So that is the considered as which one, secondary data or primary data? Means we have to inquire the each student. Personally we have to go their homes and ask the student, how many members or sisters you have, like that we have to ask. So they will tell, I have the one sister, I have the one brother, like that. So inquiring by the each and inquiring the student, each and every student by the PET or investigator, whatever. So that person. So this is the direct way. Okay. So this is the primary data. And next one, day by number of absentees in your class during the last month. That means how many members absentees are there in the last month. That is how to know by using the only register. Okay, this register. So and I am opening this 9th class maths, 9th class. I am taking the 9th class attendance register and see, this is the how many number of absentees are there. This is the we know from the only recorded register. This is the secondary data, considered as secondary data. Next, the fourth one, the distance between the school and home, every student of your class. That means the student, each student, how much distance is there from your home to school. So some students are telling the 12 kilometers, some students are 3 kilometers, like that they are saying like this. So that is also we have to inquire the student personally by the investigator, okay, invigilator or whatever PET or ANM under CRT. So okay, so directly we have to know. So this is considered as the primary data. This is the difference between the primary data and secondary data. And for your homework today, page number 195, do this. Is there no? See here, two statements are there. These two for homework for you. Okay children? Okay. Thank you. Kannada.
Thank you to all for watching this video.